Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I pre-ordered the 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and it's not coming till the end of the month, but we did get the Magic Keyboard case today. So let's crack it open and take a look at it. I'm also curious if my 2018 iPad Pro will fit inside of it, so I'm sure it will, but let's check it out. All right, so let's get it open here. Pull the little tab, and then we'll just rip the plastic off of it here. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe down below if you're not already, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss future videos. All right, let's slide this open. Typical Apple unboxing experience, where the case opens very slow and very nice. All right, and then this is all wrapped up here. It's got the camera cut out for the 2020 and above camera setup. Very nice. We got the Apple logo on the back there. Now this is a cantilever design that allows you to flex the iPad how you want it. All right. Ooh, look at that. And then we get some documentation here in the cardboard protecting it. Get the instruction manual, although there's not really much to know about it. Basically, just stick it on there. There's pass-through charging so that you can use the port on the iPad for something else like a dongle or other accessories, but there's the pass-through charger. And now, so it attaches to the iPad through these little prongs right here, and that's how it gets power to the device itself, to the keyboard case. So now let's take my very dirty looking iPad, sorry about that, and see if it fits on there. Yes, it does. Yeah, very nice. So you can, if we just turn it around here, you can cantilever it to how you want. Like to any viewing angle, and yeah, it fits. It seems to work great in there. So let's unlock the iPad and see. Okay, so the trackpad turns on the mouse by default, which is really cool. The keyboard case is backlit, as you can see, whereas my older keyboard case was not backlit and not cantilevered, so it just kind of rested in the little notch in the keyboard there. One thing I did like about my old keyboard case is the feel. It had like a real soft texture feel to it. The key travel on it wasn't very great, but to be honest, it never really bothered me either. So let me do some typing, and we'll bring the camera in close and see if we can hear any noise. Let's see, where can I do some typing? We'll go to the App Store. And let's search for the weather app. Yeah, so it has some clickiness to it, and it does kind of sound like the keyboard on my MacBook Pro, but even more traditional than that, because my MacBook Pro uses the butterfly keyboard setup, and it's not quite as good. So let's see how responsive the trackpad is. Sorry about my cough there. So you can't tap. Like, I have my MacBook set to just tap to click on things. Let's see if I can adjust that in the settings for the device, because I prefer to just tap to click on something. I don't want to have to press. So this is how you close the keyboard case. It's basically like a MacBook. You just push it closed very slowly and it goes shut. Now when you go to open it, you do have to kind of put a little pressure on the bottom, but you just keep pushing until it's open. It's really awesome. And the keyboard case also comes in black and white, so there is more than one color option available. I went with black just because I thought the white would get too dirty and scuffed up over time, but let's be honest, they both will. So yeah, that's the 2021 iPad Pro 12.9-inch keyboard case. Works with the 5th generation and below, apparently. And just kind of give you a look around here before we go. And when I get my 2021 iPad Pro at the end of the month, I'll do a video unboxing that as well. I'll put a link to the video right up here when it's available. And like I said at the beginning, make sure to click subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Thanks a lot, guys.